Hello class, I hope you are doing well. Today we want to continue with our lesson. Today we are dealing with now lesson 3, trigonometry. And today we want to deal with the tangent, sine and cosine from mathematical table. And the mathematical table is not something that is new to you. Remember, we used the mathematical tables even in Form 1 when we are looking at the squares and the square roots. We looked at the logarithm of numbers in Form 2. We looked at the cubes of numbers in Form 2 also. And today, the same way, first of all, the same way we were looking at the logarithms of numbers from the table, is actually the same procedure, but now the only difference now we want to just go to that bit of the tangent, the sine and the cosine, when we are looking at the different angles. Now, if you can start with a tangent of angles from the table, you just turn to your mathematical tables where we have the natural, where it is indicated natural tangent. Now, for example, we want to, I've told you to maybe find, let's say, tan 43.4. We want to find 43.4 degrees. Now, I want you to turn to your mathematical tables where we have the natural tangents. Let's say page, it's like, for example, mine is on page 9. Now, remember in the logarithms, if you can just remember, in the tables we have the 3 different columns. We have the x column, we have the main column here in between, and then we have main difference column. Now, for our 43.4, we simply go to row 43. We simply go to row 43 where we have the x column, and row 43, then we go up to 4. So 0.4, if you check your natural tangent, where the 0.4 meet with the row 43. So first of all, we have, so 43.4 degrees, tan 43.4 degrees, we have 0.9457. So we are going to row 43, then we go to the main column where they have indicated 0.4, go down with it, then where it meets column 43. This is what we get as our tan 43.4. Let's say for another one, let's say you are finding tan, let's say 23.67 degrees. If you have 43.67 degrees, the same procedure, we go to we go to row 23. If you are at 23, you have, so this is tan 23.67 degrees. So you'll have 0. So basically 23.6. Let's start with 23.6. Row 23. So this is 0. And then we go to the main column where we have now the 0.6. 0.6. We have 43.69. 43.69. Then remember we have now the 7. The 7 now, we go to the very last column where they have indicated add, and then we will go to where we have 7. So row 23, where it meets with the 7, it's 15. And then 15, it's like now adding 0.0015 to what we had already gotten for 23.6. When you add that, we have 48340, 0.4384. So tan 23.67 degrees will be 0.4384. That's the answer. So basically when it comes to, and it's not something new when we are looking at the table, something that you are already used to. The only thing that is coming in now, we go to where we have natural tangent. So basically that is for tan from the tables. If we are looking at sine of angles from the tables, the same procedure. The same procedure applies, so we will just go to where they have written natural sine, where they have written natural sine. So if, let's say for example, we take something like find, let's say sine 73.45 degrees. So we'll go to row 73. So we go to row 73. So we start with 73.4. 73 we have so 0 point. Then we go to where we have 0.4, bit at 95.83. Then we bring in now the other bit. So 73.45 degrees. We bring in the other bit of the 5. Remember also here we have the very last column, mean difference column, we are adding. So 73, the row 73, we move with it until we go to 5, where we have number 5, the top numbers there. So we'll have around 2. So basically we are adding 0.0002. We add because we have been directed there to add. So we have 58590. So sine 73.45 degrees will be 0.9585. So basically, those are things very easy. If we can look at now cosine of angles. Now, if you realize, if you go to natural cosine, now it differs from the natural tangents and the natural sines. The very last column of the main difference. The other two we were adding, this one you realize we are subtracting. And also something very important to note, when you are looking at the natural sine and the natural cosine, you realize natural sine is increasing from 0 to 1. If you can just check your table, it's increasing from 0 to 1. Whereas the natural cosine is actually now decreasing. From 1 we have 1, then it's decreasing up to 0 there. Now, and that's again one main difference why we have the subtraction. So if we look at the cosine of angles, let's say find cos 86.773 degrees. So the same way we have checked the other two, we go to row 86. We are at row 86. So then we move to 7 in the main difference column. So we have 86.7. This will be 0. So we go to 0.7. We have 0.576. And then now the mean difference. Now remember, you have been directed to subtract. So 86.73, now we bring in bit of 3, go down until you meet row 86. We have 5, so it's basically 0.0005, and remember we are subtracting. So this will be 1 0.500. So cos 86.73 degrees will be equal to 0.0571. Now, so basically, that's what entails getting tangent, sine, and cosine from mathematical tables. Something that is not just new to you. Now, I would like you to try this from mathematical table. I want you to try and find tan 73.467 degrees. I want you to find the cos of 56 degrees, then 51 minutes. Remember the concept of the minutes we dealt with in the previous lesson. So basically here, what you'll be required to do, you just convert this 56 degrees, 51 minutes into degrees. Then you will look it up from the mathematical tables. I want you to find sine 89.96 degrees, tan 63 degrees, and 30 minutes. I want you to find cos 58 degrees, 43 minutes. Then finally, the sine of 60.352 degrees. Go through that exercise. In case of any question, we will deal with it. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Have a blessed day.